So this is my fabric drawer. On the top drawer, I have all of my fabric scraps inside. There are lots of little end pieces and scraps in here, mainly cotton material. Oh, I remember this one. This is my favorite pattern just because it has little rice balls and hot dog octopuses on it. Oh, and pandas too. I got this in Japan, so this is a favorite fabric of mine. And I have more under here. So just generally a lot of fabric in this drawer. And today for our reusable napkin video, I'll be using some of these fabrics to make our tutorial. So So this is what the finished product looks like. And before I made this tutorial, I actually made a lot of other napkins to use on a daily basis. So this is my first one that I made and what inspired it all. So it's a Christmas pattern one and it's very, very adorable. And then I made a Christmas one again with these cows with Christmas hats on. And I really like flowers, so I made this one here. If you look very closely, there's actually 4 pieces of fabric that I attached to one to make into a napkin. So that's a good way to make use of smaller fabrics by just attaching them together into one big sheet. And on the side is just one fabric. I made this one. See this little piece of fabric that I used? And I also sometimes need just small little napkins that are about the size, smaller than my hand actually, just to wipe my mouth once and then it goes into the wash. And here's my last one. I think this is my favorite one because it involves all of these bright colors and tones and flowers, of course.